Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be discussing about an order which would be placed very soon by the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy for a smart anti-airfield weapon. Let us look into this information in a very detailed manner, and before looking into the details on the orders which is being planned, we will see what actually this smart anti-airfield weapon is. This weapon, which is laced with many high-tech features for combat superiority, is a very precise, long-range, precision-guided anti-airfield weapon. This weapon is equipped with inertial navigation system, a navigation device which uses the motion sensors and gyroscopes to continuously calculate a moving object's position. This smart anti-airfield weapon is currently in development by India's Defence Research and Development Organization. To add more details on this particular weapon, it is designed to be capable of engaging ground targets with high precision up to a range of 100 kilometers. The project for making this particular weapon was approved by Indian government in 2013, and a major boost was post the first successful test of this particular weapon in May 2016. After this, there were many successful tests conducted which increased interest by the Indian defense sources. So due to all successful test results, and as mentioned, the capability of engaging ground targets with high precision, this indigenously developed smart anti-airfield weapon was Indian Air Force first choice for carrying out the airstrikes in Balakot. However, it was replaced by Israel's Spice 2000 missiles later. We all know that the Balakot strike was performed using Dassault Aviation's Mirage 2000 fighter jet, which happened during early hours of 26 February when the Indian Air Force Mirage 2000 warplanes crossed the border and dropped the Spice 2000 bombs in the vicinity of the town of Balakot in Pakistan. This smart anti-airfield weapon has been tested with many fighter jets, which includes the Jaguar and Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Not only this, in addition to these fighters, it can be easily adapted to all fighter jets in the Indian Air Force fleet. The Jaguar is capable of carrying 6 such weapons, and according to the defense sources, there are plans to integrate this particular weapon with the Dassault Rafale when it is inducted into the Indian Air Force. So based on the tests performed, the Indian Ministry of Defense mentioned that the bomb, upon release from the aircraft, was guided by an onboard precision navigation system, and it reached the targets at a range of more than 70 kilometers with high accuracy. Seeing so many good performance and test results and the technical aspect, both Indian Navy and Indian Air Force would be placing an order of approximately 500 smart anti-airfield weapon with the DRDO. So it would be good to see India's first indigenous anti-airfield weapon being acquired by the Indian defense sources rather than importing similar weapons from other countries. So let us hope this deal goes through very soon and smoothly. So that was a quick update on Indian defense sources showing interest in placing an order for approximately 500 smart anti-airfield weapon which is developed by the DRDO. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.